Hi guys, today we're going to be making some seitan. So this flour and water is going to make a vegan chicken. Seitan is just some flour and some water. Okay, we mix it up to make some dough. I mean chicken. Look at all this chicken. Guess what the next step is? I bet you didn't guess it. We are going to be rinsing our chicken dough. Rinsing. This has to be a joke. Alright, so what we essentially have done is wash away all the starch and we're just left with just straight gluten. Yum. Gluten chicken is actually my favorite breed. This seems very wrong. The paper towel as a drying method, abort mission. I lost half of my chicken on my napkin. This is what I got from like 2 cups of flour. Seitan. And we're gonna season this little guy up with some salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and some chili. Ooh, this is looking so yummy. It's perfect.
Oh, she's gorgeous.
Shut the front door. That looks like a chicken nugget. Chicken, seitan. I get it. Well, I burnt it. I got some vegan Chick-fil-A sauce.